Hello everybody, this is the pure magnet in front of you. Today I'm going to talk to you what separates the wise from the intelligent. I repeat, what separates the wise from the intelligent. So I will go straight to the points. I have 5 points one by one. First, an intelligent person will always ask why. WHY, why? Why should I do this? Why should I not do this? That's all. But on the other hand, a wise person will ask what? What is this? Will be incisive, will go deep. So what will include what, how and why? Everything. So an intelligent person will ask only why at the surface level. But a wise person will ask what, to know everything, to have a total comprehension. Second feature is outcome. An intelligent person is outcome oriented, but a wise person, or for a wise person, intention, the entire process and the outcome are equally important. But for an intelligent person, only outcome is important, because if you look at the corporate world, what do people want? Results, success, overcoming failures, isn't it? But for a wise person, intention, process and outcome are equally important. Third feature is gratitude. Intelligent people are grateful for what they have, but wise people are much higher, because they are able to appreciate and value even things which they do not have. See, gratitude has to do with what you have. You say thank you or thank God for my blessings. But even if you do not have certain blessings, you see other people enjoying certain facilities, the joys of life, you are able to appreciate that. So appreciation or value is more important than gratitude. So here a wise person is ahead than an intelligent person. Fourth feature is smart work. Intelligent people say smart work is better than hard work. But for a wise person, smart work and hard work are equally important. He will say or she will say, you not only sharpen the axe, but you also hit the axe. Both are equally important. Since intelligent people are outcome oriented, what they believe, be smart, be intelligent. But for a wise person, he is able to see in totality the suffering, the pain of a person. Even if a person is not smart, he is able to appreciate and value the hard work, the best that a person is putting across to do a certain thing. Fifth feature is very important, and please listen carefully. To be intelligent, you do not have to be a good human being. You can be very manipulative, cunning, clever and be intelligent, get the work done. But to be wise, you need to have 5 virtues. And what are they? You need to be good, you need to be humble, you need to be a person of integrity, you need to be righteous, and you need to be self-sacrificing. So these 5 qualities are not required to be intelligent. You do not need to be good to be intelligent. You do not need to be humble to be intelligent. You do not need to be an integrity keeper to be intelligent. You do not need to be righteous to be intelligent. Neither you need to sacrifice to be intelligent. It is much easier to be intelligent, but it is much difficult, harder to be a wise human being. Because, see, intelligent is a very narrow quality, but wisdom is a very expansive quality. Intelligence has limits, it is absolute, but wisdom, it evolves. It doesn't say, I know everything. It says, I know this, but I have to know more. It goes deep, goes ahead. It evolves. So there is goodness, there is humility, there is integrity, there is righteousness and sacrifice in wisdom. And only when you have these 5 qualities, then you can tell yourself that yes, I am wise. So if you look the overall picture, there are billions of people in this planet who are intelligent, but there are very few people who are wise. But the good news is you can be wise. I have come across men and women, very few men and women who are really wise, and it has been an enlightening experience to come across such people. And remember, only an awakened person, an enlightened person is wise, and it reflects in each and every aspect of life with regard to thinking, speaking, actions, everything. See, wise people are not perfect people, but they keep on learning, keep on correcting, keep on evolving. They never say that I am the best. Instead, they say, I got a lot to learn. I will learn and I will be happy no matter how difficult the life is. Yes, wise people are able to find joy and happiness even in the most difficult circumstances of life because they know how to respond to the challenges. So the question is, are you an intelligent person or are you a wise person? You can answer this question now.